Once upon a time, in a small house lived a poor boy called Charlie. He lived with his parents and 4 grandparents. They could hardly afford enough food to eat, and Charlie often thought about delicious treats. There was a mysterious chocolate maker called Willy Wonka, the owner of the most famous chocolate factory in the world. For years, Wonka had closed the factory to the public, but one day he announced a contest. 5 golden tickets would be hidden in chocolate bars. If you find one, you would win a tour of the factory and a lifetime supply of chocolate. Charlie really wanted to find the golden ticket. After many days of searching, he finally discovered a ticket while buying a bar of chocolate with a rare coin he found. Feeling happy, he rushed home to share the news with his family. On the day of the factory visit, Charlie met the other ticket holders, Augustus, Veruca, Violet, and Mike. As they entered the factory, they were amazed by the chocolate river and candy garden. As the tour went on, each child faced a punishment for their bad behavior. Augustus fell into the chocolate river. Violet turned into a giant blueberry. Veruca was attacked by squirrels, and Mike was shrunk down by a TV machine. However, throughout the tour, Charlie remained calm and humble. At the end of the tour, Willy Wonka revealed that he was looking for someone to take over the factory. Willy Wonka was impressed with Charlie, so he offered him the factory. As a reward, Charlie was overjoyed. Him and his family moved into the factory, where they lived happily ever after, surrounded by sweets.